Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today's video, I'm giving you 5 tips on how to keep your house nice and tidy. I'm excited to show you guys these tips and what I use throughout my work week. So let's get into the video. The first tip is to always make your bed, especially in the morning. Making your bed will set you up for success throughout the day, believe it or not. So once you tackle making your bed, it'll be a lot easier to tackle other things throughout the day. The second tip I have for you guys is to take 10 minutes to pick up before you start your nighttime routine. So the best time to do this would be after dinner, and just take 10 minutes to clean your kitchen, clean things that you left out from in the morning and things like that. So that way it's nice and tidy before you start getting ready for bed. So I'm just going to finish doing my 10-minute pickup and give you guys some cleaning motivation. And then we'll go ahead to the next tip. So for the third tip, it is laundry. I know everyone loves to do laundry, but you can do it 2 different ways. I know some people like to do it once a day, so just doing 1 load a day. Normally, if you have a family that's larger than 3, I would recommend doing it. Also, you can tackle it where you're doing it just over the weekend and getting it finished by Sunday evening, so that way you're ready for the work week. So it's definitely up to you, but I would say choose one of those methods to get you throughout the week.
To be mine.
So the fourth tip is to tackle vacuuming and mopping a spot in your house. So every day just choose a different spot. So I wouldn't recommend doing your whole house every day. That would just be too much. So every day just pick a different area to vacuum and to mop. So today I'm choosing to do the hallway.
It's real, cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you
for the fifth tip, I call it my one-touch method. So every time you walk into a room, if you see something that's out of place, instead of just walking past it and say, I'll get that later, just grab that one thing and place it back to where it belongs. So anytime you go into a room, if you're going to use the bathroom and you see something on the bathroom sink that doesn't belong or things like that, you just put it back where it goes. So anytime you touch something or see something out of place, just put it back where it goes, and that will save you less picking up time along with tidying up. I have a little more tidying up to do, so I thought I would give you guys some cleaning motivation for the rest of the video.
If you want, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said.
Thank you guys for watching these 5 tips on how to tidy up your house. I hope it gives you motivation to get things done along with creating a routine of your own. It definitely does help. So let me know if you try these tips out. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to join my family here. I post weekly on cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle. So if you're into that type of stuff, you'll definitely love it here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post new content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.